Let me show you the E7 chord on the guitar. Matter of fact, I'll show you a couple of variations here. First and foremost, right here, one of the easier chords on the guitar: open, 2, open, 1, open, open. E7 chord right there. Now, if you're a total beginner, you could actually do just a real simple one-finger chord, as long as you just hit strings 3, 2, and 1. That's also E7, but you can do this, just 2 fingers right there. Now, real cool little trick is you can just actually add this, what is that, 2nd string, 3rd fret. You can do it with my pinky, you can do it with your 3rd finger as well, but then you're just adding that. This is just the 7th degree of the scale. You can, that's your D note, that's fine too. So E7 here or E7 right there, they both work on a guitar. If you want to get better at guitar, you like what we're doing here. As a matter of fact, actually, before that, did you know that chord? Leave that comment below. But if you want to learn more guitar, check out our courses, all our memberships, rocklikethepros.com.